Okay, so I have this theory that the Wawa secret menu changes every month, and it's July 1st. So
Is it really?
It's July 1st. Yes.
July 1st. Happy July 1st.
Happy July.
Happy Christmas.
Okay.
We're at the halfway point.
Oh.
Christmas is coming.
6 months till Christmas. Anyway, hope your New Year's resolutions have lasted. Anyway, mine haven't, but it's okay. So we're gonna go check it out.
Okay, so we are going to test the theory to see if the secret menu changes every month. Control the flying bird, the flying bird. It's unlocking.
Oh, so it doesn't change. The lemonades stay all summer, I guess.
But they took away the bagel.
Interesting.
Interesting. Let's see. Yep. Everything is the same. Thank you so much. 4th of July from the Wawa girls at Wawa.
See, Wawa. It says so on my shirt. So.
It doesn't say that on my shirt. That's okay. I am Liliana Thomas.
I'm Victoria Earlywine.
And we are going to be taste testing some few select items from Wawa.
In honor of 4th of July, we've got some red.
We have some white and blue.
All right.
So
So first off, we got red. This is the
we're not drinking responsibly. We have our plastic straws. I forgot mine at home and it kind of stinks.
she forgot her glass straw, to clarify.
Yeah,
her glass
straw. So, I mean, we're probably...
People are looking at us.
Yeah, people are looking at me like I'm crazy, but you know what?
We usually don't park in the front. We usually park in the back.
Yeah, it happens. So it kind of looks like we have our phone balanced on a Wawa water cup, so it kind of looks like we're talking to a cup of water. But it's okay.
I just drank it. We're supposed to try it together. I'm nervous. I'm a nervous drinker. Anyway, so this is the red. In the secret menu, the summertime drinks, this is the red. It's strawberry something.
Citrus?
Something with strawberry citrus. That's what it is.
Sure.
And it's strong like all the other ones, and it's really, really yummy. See, I like this. She doesn't like them.
No. It tastes like... That actually tastes like the strawberry pineapple lemonade from Sonic that they used to have. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-mm.
They had actual pineapple and strawberry chunks like in the lemonade.
Mm. Yeah, there's chunks. Chunks. Alright, sorry.
Okay, and the next is what
White, red, white, blue.
Okay, but that's mango cream smoothie. Let's do lemonades first. Listen, it's not
It's
confused.
red, white,
with
and
taste.
blue, not red, blue, white, but okay.
It doesn't matter. Okay, so what is this?
That is the citrus one.
Citrus.
Because it's blue.
Oh, and Wawa hack.
Always get your little your hand for the warm drinks, for your cold drinks, so your hand doesn't get too cold. And since, you know, in honor of 4th of July in America, the USO is being honored. And they are, it says so right here, they strengthen America's military service members by keeping them connected to family.
So thank
That's
you,
very
USO.
honorable. Thank you.
Thank you. We appreciate that. We appreciate what you do, and we also appreciate Wawa for doing.
Alright, try this one.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Okay. That's not bad.
When it's just citrus, like it's supposed to be, it's good. Without all the other flavors, it's not that strong.
It just tastes like lemonade.
Yeah.
Finally. It's just lemonade.
But
So-
it's blue, so explain this. Explain.
America, explain.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Okay, and
Next
then...
is white, because apparently it's red, blue, white.
Oh gosh. So, this isn't anything summer selective or anything. This is the mango cream. Is it the smoothie?
It's a milkshake.
The milkshake. There's so many links.
No, it is a smoothie. It is a smoothie.
Smoothie. Okay, and so I chose mango because it's mango season here in La Florida. So,
Yeah, all the mango trees popping out
but
mangoes.
this isn't real mango. I don't think.
I think it might be, actually.
Taste test.
taste mango.
I don't taste mango.
Well, I don't know what you just drank because it tastes like mango to me. Yeah.
Actually, you just took 5 sips. Thank you. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay. That was underwhelming. All right. So that concludes our red, white, and blue 4th of July special.
Thanks for watching us drink drinks and have fun.
Bye.